No, okay. 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 All right. We're going to make this big. I want big. I want it big. I want it loud. And most importantly, I want answers. All right? Yeah? Gentlemen, peeps. Yeah? I have an answer. Okay. An answer. An answer to all my woes of pewters and other things and life. Plug this in because today I have come to some conclusions. I believe I have found out why this behaves in such a shitty way. And to prove my theory, I have an Optiplex 7010 plugged into a really crappy monitor, actually, like really bad. But that's fine. That is fine. Oh, I should adjust my bitrate. Wow, I should adjust my bitrate. Okay. Okay, there you go. You can be happy now. Enjoy your bits. Okay. After a long time, I believe I have figured this out. Oh, I forgot one thing. Yep. Okay. Here's what I'm thinking. I believe that the GPU drivers that I have been desperately playing with is having recursive failure. I think that what's going on is a recursive stack corruption. And that's important, actually, to know. Because I think I have a solution. And what is this solution? A very, very fixed up direct draw DLL. So I think that what I noticed, observed, analyzed, whatever, behavior-wise, from the AMD driver, where you'd start something and it would go into a loop and it would break, and it kind of sucked. Just net sucked. I think that all kind of has to do with this component. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We are first going to make sure this is plugged in. Very good. And now I have removed every other variable from the equation now. Are you testing ROS on physical hardware? Yes. This is an Optiplex 7010. This is what we're gonna do. I think that our problem has been the entire time dxg.sys. I think the module that I've been kind of ignoring, because it hasn't looked like it's actually being used for anything, dispatches to see if XYZ is available, and if it's not updating the frame buffer, and I think answers, yeah. I think what was happening in my hack wasn't that I was actually fixing the problem with the frame buffer, preventing it from updating the games. It's that it was a workaround a much bigger problem. So, here's what we're gonna do. We have a big-ass windy bag, and we're going to try to get this to do the funny. So, I'm just going to install ReactOS. Like normal. Is that a me-side wallpaper? It might be. It might be. Okay, the install was successful. Now, it's going to be kind of hard to hear this, and as for seeing it, I don't know. I might be able to put something together. Let me try. Okay. We've got this thing, which can go on a funny little stand. Blah, 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 blah. Yes. Okay. Now, as you can see from the boot up log, it's a little bit spammy, but it does work! Dr. Vector. Hello, hello. We are getting answers today. I'm gonna fucking figure this out. Okay. So. Plugging this in, plugging that in, and with this, you guys might be able to see something. Okay. Hello, hello. All right. So at some point I will figure out what this NT API failure is, but that doesn't actually matter right now. So just ignore it. Let me video capture the Logitech webcam. Yes! It's a little wonky, but it'll work. Okay. All right. As you can see, this is a desktop. Oh man, actually that looks terrible. Let me fix that. Yes, that's good enough. Good enough. All right. Is this working modern hardware? It's pretty fucking modern, actually. Sorry, Curl. I will admit, this is reasonably modern. Jesus, I can't speak. I think we can do this. It's just a really old, is generic audio driver planned? Yes, this has a generic audio driver. You will hear it in a second. It'll just be quiet. This is a 4th generation Intel machine. Yeah. Yeah, ignore that assert. Or not assert, but violation. I'll be quiet here in a moment so you can hear it. Maybe. It's 32-bit for now. I'll do 64-bit a little later. What the fuck? It fell back anyway. That's interesting. I don't know if that could actually pick that up. I don't think it did. Let me try again really quick. Yeah. Wait till you see the ROS rigs. Yeah, no kidding. Those things are funny. Did I save it? Yeah, it's not loud. It doesn't even try to be loud. What the heckers? Good? I guess so. Yeah, that should be fine. Oh, wait. I know what happened. Yeah, that's right. This thing's one of those. Yeah, that's fine. Let me try that again really quick. Part two. Okay. Yeah, I'm not going to pretend that the audio quality on that thing's amazing. It's not. But, yep. Wouldn't net booting be better for this? Fuck no. Just no. Not no. Not even close. It's... No. No, no, no. No! Okay. Net booting ROS is such a miserable fucking experience, I don't want to do it. Alright. Did I not power it on? Okay. Okay, so as you can see from the BIOS, yeah, it's a modern. Well, yeah. Would you still consider like Haswell modern? I don't know. I know things still use it a lot, but the flashing takes like 10 seconds. It's not exactly insane. If you notice, as I've been doing this, the USB stack is behaving perfectly. I just want to call that out. Like, if you notice as I've been installing this and stuff, and I'm going to be testing this today, USB, not a problem. Sound, not a problem. Networking, not a problem. This is only the GPU working on today. Everything else works great on this machine. I say that as it crashes, because, yeah, that's my fucking luck. Oh, wait, did I even do the right thing? Oh, yeah. No. EHCI works? Yeah, it works fine. I just have to use 2 brain cells instead of 1. Yes, EHCI works on this. It just, yeah. Anyway, I assume I actually flashed the right ISO. Oh, don't test it. It is not ready. This is a very, very heavy branch. What about XHCI? It's being worked on. It's being worked on. Answers. Let's see. Yeah, see, anyway. Okay, so. Install from USB, go burr. Come on. Okay. Yay. On paper? Yeah, sure. Kind of already does, actually. XP has issues with Haswell. It'll crash pretty often. Yeah, you know what? Yes. That's the answer. I am going to get another Dr. Pepper. I'm doing this hours before people come over, so this is fun. Okay. Anyway, as you can see, not terrible. Not terrible at all. Yep. Yeah, I don't. That's pretty typical. XP doesn't actually have that good hardware support. Neither does Vista, actually. Vista really has a hard time without patches. Okay. Hello, fellow ReactOS developers. Hi. Hello, fellow ReactOS developers. We hacking hackers? Okay. All right. Cool. Let me just install the rest of the OS. Is it? Oh, yeah, that makes sense. Cleaning up years and years of patches. We have the answers today. Yeah, answers. The other computer that we were probably considering using was this. It's a 9020. But they're both Intel. And they're both about the same performance. But answers is weirdly ominous. Yeah, that's my mood for today. Is I want to just explode, actually. But we got it. It's fine. It'll be perfectly good. Trust the plan. Yeah, trust the plan. There's a plan. I just don't know it yet. Should I be quiet again so you guys can hear the funny haha noises? Do you guys want to hear the funny haha noises? I'll try to make it more clear. Okay, I'm gonna be quiet. Shh, shh. Take a second. There you go. That was it. That's the noises you're gonna get. Do we give it a second? Or wait, I removed my fix, didn't I? Maybe I didn't. It'll figure it out. Just give it a minute. Give it a second. It'll figure it out. It's smart. Yay! Woohoo! Look at that! A desktop! Whoa! GPU! Whoa! Okay, so look at that. It fixed it itself. That's right. That's right. Except there's still a crash in one of the components. But that's fine. We really don't even need it, honestly. Woo! Alright. Now, I... didn't think this far ahead, did I? Okay. We should switch to that. Refresh it. Intel. I want to see the display. Screensaver. I don't know. Isn't this native resolution? Yes. It's native resolution. It's optimal resolution. Fuck you, Stern. It's the optimal resolution. Confirmed. Okay. I'm just gonna shut it down really quick. Okay, let me grab some stuff really quick. We need some things to test. Because we're getting answers today. ROS can run Crisis. Yeah, it can. I don't know why that's the joke everyone makes, but it can. It literally could before a bunch of other things happened. It's not... Yes. Stop asking. Okay. We need to find... Oh... I believe... I feel like I'm missing something. It's been able to run Crysis for literally a decade, like legitimately a decade. I don't know why people don't remember that. I don't. Please, just stop asking poor ReactOS the same question over and over again. It's tired of answering it. Yes. Yes, it can run Cree. Shh. Would these codes be pushed to master? Well, they would be if it fucking worked. That would help. I really hope it can be. It's gonna take a little bit of effort, to be honest. But hey, we'll get there. We'll get there. What are you coding? I am legitimately not even cooking anything. I am just fixing stuff. Yeah, figuring things out. I am using my brain. No, you're good. I was just kidding. Don't worry. I am cooking. This is the optimal. The optimal screen resolution has been achieved. The optimal screen resolution is here for you. It's always been there. Since the beginning. Ladies and gentlemen, does Master have WDM drivers? No, not yet. Not very far from it. That's not going to happen for like a couple years. Like 2. This is the peak resolution of optimal. Open source gaming greatest accomplishment. Yeah. I know. That's so true. So real. It do be what it do by. I have had an interesting couple of weeks since the last stream. I don't think I could describe what happened in words, actually. But stuff did cook, stuff happened, and now we're doing this. There's your catch up, I guess. Whoa. Watch, it's gonna be sideways again for a second, and then it's not. Whoa! Magic! Wow! Goddamn Jim. Whoa! Magic! Okay, so here's what I think. Still falling back. Map, physical memory. Yeah, you. Yeah. 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 It's trying to work, but it's not doing what I want it to. I think there's a problem. You know what? I think there's a new regression. Cool. Uh-huh. Let me deal with that really quick. We have a new GPU driver regression. That's cool. So let me just erase that too. Thanks, world. Okay. Reinstall ReactOS. Woohoo! Our favorite! Okay. Alright. The Gab top would be a cool creation. I want the index, or yeah, is that called the? No, the frame. Sorry. That thing looks fucking amazing. I'm gonna do so much crap with that actually. Yeah. Yeah, I don't doubt that. Okay, so we got that. Frame is QCOM. I don't fucking care. You think that's gonna change my opinion of it? Screw you. I know it's QCOM. What game should we grab to test our little theory? Let me grab this. Debugging ARM64 ROS in VR. Fuck yeah! Yeah. So true. So exciting. I want ReactOS Mobile, and then ReactOS Mobile can be like on the frame. And like ReactOS Mobile on the frame can be pretty fucking cool, right? Yeah. I have a bunch of like weird shit on my GOG now that I look at it. Wow! Trying games for what? Jim. For answers! Didn't you read the title of the stream? That's what we're here for. Answers. Answers of the future. Answers for what we believe. I'm gonna throw a bunch of games on this stupid flash drive. It'd be great. Boom! Okay, so. God damn it, Jim. Oh my god. Y'all, I only can test games I have. This isn't the NT6 branch. This is shit I just want to merge into master. Shut up about Undertale. I'm gonna make you all look at the background I have if you don't not. Cool. Quake 2. I don't want OpenGL. I'm gonna have to test something else. I'm trying to figure something out specifically. I have ideas already. And then maybe later, if you're good and we have time, we'll try this. The Radian. Smack it in there. Punch it in the face. Okay, then Delta. Okay. You're gonna be turned into a fish. Get fished. Your mom has DirectX. Alright, let me grab my thing. Give me OpenGL. I'm trying! I'm twying. I wonder if I could set a background on a GPU drive. I haven't done that. Blanc, blanc. I'm gonna set this as my background. You're gonna have to deal with it. Because fuck you guys. I can do whatever I want. Oh gosh. Weird. Okay. If I get banned now, we all know why. N1X autism release. Okay. My USB driver is more stable than that. Haha. Probably. I really... Actually, I'm not sure at this point. Lately, Microsoft's kind of starting to worry me. Please, sir, I want more instructions. Oh, no. No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You can't do that. Bloop, bloop. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Distro! Hurry up and get the... I do not have time for all this crap, bruh. Hi, funny apple guy. Poor distro. I mean, what is he supposed to do in response to that? It's just so Rober for him. Oh, over. Wow. My brain's so fried, I'm like forgetting who people I'm talking to. Holy crap. Shit's getting mixed in my brain right now. Bro's reading the super chat. He's desperate. What? I don't even have super chats. Fuck you. This thing's not monetized. I just go and scream into the abyss. You're the fucking people that make me do this crap, actually. No. Why are you doing that, Dark? Why are you doing that, Dark? I don't know, Dark. Why are you doing it, Dark? Dark. It's Jover. I need a nap. Okay. I suspecty that what I just erased was the source of the bug. And that kind of sucks, actually. Did you hear it? I did. I sure did, Batman. Well, well, well. If it isn't the actions to my consequence. Yeah. 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 Meow. Are we Flutter yet? I don't get it. Is it good? Okay. All right. Ahem. Cough, cough. Cough, 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 cough. Now, let's see if I'm right. I mean, I am. That was the bug. Okay, thanks. Another regression to come deal with. Woohoo! All right. Now, what do we have here? Now that we've got our base ground, let's very much discuss what we're actually doing today. It only took 45 minutes to get there. Hey, but you know what? That's fine. It's fine. This is, did it freeze? No? What happened? Did I break something? Okay. Oh, I think I plugged my cable. Hold on. "45 minutes of my life, I won't get back." Carl, you're getting banned. Insta-banned. Insta-banned for being a little meanie. Will it boot? Shrug. Okay. So, we have two different chipsets of video drivers that can work now. We have Intel with GMA, which is basically useless, and the HD drivers, which are the only ones that actually are worth trying. And then we have AMD GPU drivers. I think, and I could be wrong, but I'm not, probably. I think the issue is DXG. I believe that when we enabled all of these hacks, and we enabled all this code to blah, 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 and get this driver going, that whenever something is using it, that freeze is it recursively loading DDraw over and over again. I think AMD struggles with it more, but Intel does the same exact thing. So I've made some changes to this ISO. This ISO ships out a native DXG, and what we're going to do is we're going to try and see if we can replace the ddraw.dll and see if that dramatically improves the stability or performance of our DirectX calls. And I have a pretty good indication that this is what the issue is. which means that if we can solve it by forcing the software rendered one to always exist, blah, 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 blah. ReactOS talking over me is not something I'm used to. Maybe we can have this stuff actually in master. That would be cool. That regression sucks, and frankly, I have no idea what that's about, but it's fixable. So, yeah. All right. So, let us try. The first test of this is to see if Firefox will act, or Basilisk, I guess, is what we're actually going to be using, is going to launch properly. So here we go. Oh, right. I'm going to set up a desktop background, and you're all going to have to look at it forever. Never mind, I won't. Okay. We. Okay. We'll grab this. Well, that's a wow. That is an old installer. That is an old installer. That thing is. What specs is this pewter? I don't know. Let's find out. This device is an Optiplex 7010 with an Intel Core i5-3470. Oh, it's not 4th gen, it's 3rd gen, but same difference, actually. One 502. Oh. Yeah, that makes sense. Cool. Ignoring that, let's launch this game and see if it catches on fire. Or it's just gonna go. I didn't think I'd get this far. That movie doesn't like to render, though. Nor does any movie on ROS, to be honest. I don't know. one of the OpenBSD guys. What the fuck? What kind of question is that? Somehow I don't think he is. I don't know what it's doing. I just see deadlocks. And, oh. Yeah, that checks out, actually. Cernadial, OpenBSD, man. That's not what I wanted to do. Yeah, whatever. I think... Good? Okay. I like how it's just gonna play that movie for, like, ever. Actually, forever. Cool. Neat. It's fine. Don't mind me, I'm just living. What are you doing? Oh. Okay. Is it gonna go? I legitimately can't tell. I'm gonna let it do its thing. And maybe it'll work. But it probably won't. Oh god, it went out of sync! What the fuck? The game launched, but the monitor can't display it? What the fuck? Screw you! What a meanie! That's so ridiculous! Bruh. Bruh! That's absurd. That is actually the dumbest thing I've seen today. Okay. That is a monitor issue, like a monitor skill issue. That has nothing to do with Ross. That's hilarious, actually. I'm sad now. Not surprised, but sad. Zoop. It's fucking Gateway. What did you expect? I expected it being... Oh, God, I don't like you. Expected better. Okay. I'm sorry. I expected better. You're right. My fucking bad. NT shill. Yes. Hi. Welcome, welcome. Do I actually care why that's doing that? I don't. Yeah, that USB Ethernet's a little wonky. I probably shouldn't even be using that, to be honest. I just didn't want to deal with that Intel chipset on that thing, because it kind of sucked. Or do I have to earn it? You are in a ReactOS stream, sir. Everybody is an NT shill here. That's what we do. That is literally our one job. We shill NT actively instead of fix ReactOS's problems. I mean, what? It's okay, everyone. It'll copy on its own time. Probably. Bruh. Windows NT glazing group. Yep. That's us. That's correct. But you know what? I believe in us. Kind of. NT, my beloved. So true, so real, so freeing. Okay. Scream if you love NT. Just kidding. I want my damn thing. What happens if I set a desktop background? Is it gonna... No? Okay. I want funny artwork. Give me artwork. Yeah! Oh, that looks like shit. That looks terrible. Oh god, that's not. You know, like those pictures of people with like the anime backgrounds that are like 90s aesthetic. Oh wait, no, those people with like the stream elements that are like all based on like Windows 98 and stuff. That's kind of what this looks like. Okay, we're going back to blue. I'm never doing that again. What is that? That is pretty art on Twitter. It is the last thing I reposted on Twitter. Look at it. Look at it and like it because it's cute. But it looks terrible on ReactOS, unfortunately. That didn't go like I wanted it to. It's okay. It's fine. It's cool. I'm not offended. I am a little bit. Is WLAN conf working? No. I didn't install an internet thing. But I can do one thing. Never mind, go live. I can't do one thing. Let's put my nose down. Yeah, me too, little bro. Yeah, I relate. I'm funny. Haha. Is this done yet? It's thinking about it. It's thinking about it. Want to watch it? Okay. What other settings could we do to not hate myself right now? Intel graphics and media. It requires mono. That does not shock me at all, actually, now that I think about it. System. Performance. That did nothing. Wow. Astonishing. Amazing, really. Oh, cool. That's... Jim, I found it! I found it! I found the optimal resolution notification. Did that just say framework with a space? I don't like that. Can it not? Yeah! Neighbors! Yes! Fuck yeah! Okay. Ooh, ooh, ooh! Optimal resolution notification! Oh my god, wait, I have neighbors too. I forgot about that. I shouldn't be that loud. I should not be that loud. That's dangerous. Screaming hello. Optimal resolution notification. Fuck yeah, bitches. God damn it, why are you guys doing that? I can't focus. How can I focus without the optimal resolution notification? God damn it. Alright, everyone spam it. Fuck it. This isn't the ReactOS Discord. We can spam as much as we want. Optimal resolution notification. Optimal resolution notification. Optimal resolution notification. Hello. Unable to read debugger block header. Oh, nope, it's good. Okay. Never ask what happened to dev channel and doc. Yep. You shouldn't. Otherwise, you won't find the optimal resolution notification. Optimal resolution notification. God damn it. Bros that ain't on Discord. Yeah. That's fine. It's okay. It's alright. They'll understand. They'll understand forcefully. It's okay. Accept it. If they wanted to know what's going on, they should have used the optimal resolution notification. The optimal resolution notification. This is not the optimal screen resolution. What the fuck was that? On my way to make it a sticker. Yeah, you should. That way I can spam it on other Discords without them knowing what it is about. No one will understand. It's fine. I don't care. I'm not offended. Tee-hee. The optimal resolution notification. What if you wanted to use your computer, but instead optimal resolution notification? Do I have any good emotes in YouTube? No, I don't. That sucks because it's not the optimal resolution notification. Ha, that's fine. Optimal resolution notification. Those who know, those who don't. Okay. Hey, look, a computer. Right. We're doing computer things. I almost forgot in between the optimal resolution notification. You good? No? Okay. That's crazy, because did you know the optimal resolution notification? USB Ethernet adapter. Your mom. Woo! Ew, what the fuck is that background? Ew. That thing looks ugly as heck. Heckin' heckers. Okay. Alright. Now. I'm going to do this. Going to do that. We're going to extract a desktop. Oh, wow, that did it quick. That's weird. Oh, no, it just lies about progress. That's cool, too. That's fine. It's okay. Why is the resolution going up? I see something in 770. God damn it, fucking sir. Okay. Did you know? Did you know that's not the optimal resolution notification? Have you ever wondered if you've ever done the wonder of the done do wonder do done? Nell, do you like my background for my computer? Do you like it? Thanks. I'm glad someone understands it. Because I don't. There's a couple of things on the screen. I see a couple issues. I have found a bug. Right there. Ooh! Another one right there. Oh! Oh! It's fine. Honestly, we don't even need a computer. Why would you want anything else? Why? What? Oh God! Stop! That's fine. That's fine. It's cool. Whoa! Holy crap. Okay. Alright. Oh, jeez. I don't remember what I have to actually do to install this. It's fine. You know what? It's fine. Who cares? Because this is the optimal resolution notification. Trying to task manager. Did you know he made task manager? He barely talks about it. God damn it. Did you know he Do you know he made task manager? He barely talks about it. Okay. It's fine. That's how little he talks about task manager. He talks about it so little, he removed his YouTube channel. That's how little he talks about task manager. That's crazy. I look at a picture of Clippy, and it's like, did you know? He barely even talks about it. That's so crazy. But it's true. That's how little he talks about Task Manager. Fucking hate you all. It's like 8 a.m. Why are you... Fuck you all. Who made it? I don't know. I forgot. Why don't you remind me? Did you know he works for Microsoft? Oh my gosh. I don't know why that makes me laugh so hard. It's like a good meme. Jesus. That's how little he talks about it. Okay. Thanks. I wasn't sure. You worked for Apple. That's crazy. Do you know Apple made Task Manager when Steve Jobs barely talks about it? Could be wrong. I'm unsure. That's crazy. Holy shit, that's insane. Good lord. Okay. Anyway. I forgot what I was trying to do now, because y'all fucking killed me. Can I just reset Explorer to get my thing back? No, I can't actually. Wow. Okay. Alright. Oh, I should check to make sure that the thing actually loaded. That would help. Oh. Okay. Nope, it didn't. Is it gonna... Oh. Hi. Okay. Oh. YOLO, let's try it. It's fine. Minutes ago. Is being created and deleted in the same past. Okay. Fucking nerd. Don't know what the fuck that means. ReactOS and the paradox of only being able to install or run one app per boot is really winning me over right now, isn't it? Damn, guys. a little shy guy. I always found it weird how Ross will get this, like, failed to delete object spam, and I don't remember your task manager. Wow. And we'll sit there attacking the same one. Kinda sussy-wussy. Ooh-woo. Help. No. No, I don't think I will. I noticed at some point, the audio stopped working, and I'm not sure. I want to find out why. Optimal sound notification. It just keeps going. Yeah, the sound bugs are there, but kinda complicated. So I don't try too hard to investigate them, I guess. Now, why is that? I didn't see anything in the log to indicate. Lost my cursor for a second. push notification. It's kind of weird. It doesn't look like you even tried. Yeah, it doesn't look like it even tried. What the fuck? Yeah, right there. It doesn't exist. AX88179. Yeah. That'd help. Oh, okay. Ah. Okay, I see what happened. So we just do this. Okay, here we go. That's good now. Let me, now that we've only ran that, let me try this again really quick. Yeah, I don't know. I too am in this episode. God damn it. God damn it. Is it bad that I didn't have to look at the profile picture to know who the fuck that was when he said that? Kablast, or however the fuck you say his name. Hello there, probos. Welcome, welcome. I too am in this episode. One day, I will turn you all into fish. And when that happens, I wasn't the one that posted that, so I don't feel bad. Everyone should look at the art. I reposted it on my Twitter. He did a great job. I think about that art literally every day. That's the most important art in my life. Well, my profile picture is just as cool, but it's pretty fucking cool too. It's like two of my favorite things mashed together. It's amazing. I'm going to send that to her, actually. If optimal resolution, then death. Oh yeah, that's funny. If enemy, why friend-shaped? Jim, no. Bad. Bad Jim. Bad! Optimal resolution 2. My router just got pissed off with me. I smelt it. Are you good? No? Okay. It's fine. I'll help you a little bit. As it turns out, plugging in a USB Ethernet dongle still has a little quirkiness. Isn't that cute? Okay. Yeah, that's neat. How nice of it. Hasn't found its optimal resolution. I am going to kick you all. One day, I will make you become the flesh. No registered mini ports to bind to. How about you bind to these nuts? Optimal resolution saved my ThinkPad. There was a fucking guy that was mad, legitimately mad, that I was not testing a ThinkPad. And I think about that literally every day. My entire life trajectory has changed after that moment. That made me so irrationally angry, and I don't know why. It is just insane to me. What the heckers? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. What are you doing? Okay, well, this thing is behaving a little weird. I should go find his optimal resolution. I think... What do you mean you're not testing on the original IBM 5150 3.1514? What the heckin' heckers, Dark? What the heckers? Are you even real? The IBM 3.1514195268. Unknown! I don't know what's going on there, and I don't like it. Okay, actually, let's just find the right Ethernet controller. 1502. Screw this adapter. End of life. How about... You're mean. What does little man think he's doing there, little man? Y'all. I like how chat devolved completely into just gibberish. It's so Rober now. Fuck, I did it again. Holy crap. Holy crap. Dude. So, why do I keep doing that? That's hilarious, but also, what the fuck? I found the Ethernet controller. I've got 2 brain rots in my brain at once. Which is fine. It's just... I don't know. Kind of weird. You know? Kind of weird. Okay, there you go. We have Ethernet now. You can shut up. Okay. Unplugged. Revoked. Okay. It's time to connect to Google.com. It's time to connect to Google.com. Yeah! Woo! Yahoo! I think we can. Ouch, owls, my ears. Cute. Yay. It's very important, sir. Please understand. Ooh, what are you doing? Oh. I see what's going on now. HID is what broke. That's good to know. Please, sir, it's potentially incredibly important. Hold on, I'm messaging somebody. I can multitask. I can. The optimal resolution. It's unbelievable that some of us have jobs in this chat. Yeah. Yeah, that's fair. Hid. Oh god, that's really funny. That's really funny, I'm sorry. Boop, boop. It was approved. You didn't hear HID? Oh, I see now. I think I understand what you're hearing now. Oh, that checks out, actually. I wonder if I can make it not stretch the background somehow. Bro thinks he's light yogging me with that laugh. Yeah, I get that. That joke's not original. I've heard it before. Many times. If you listen closely, you can hear the computer. That's what I thought I heard. I bet you did. Yeah? Okay. Cool. And with that, we have internet juices. Okay. Now for the test. I suspect I know what's going to happen here. Polygon representative failed. Okay. I think... Where'd my USB go? Okay, well, it took a while to get to this point, but we can start trying to figure something out here. There's a few things I want to do. The nice thing is this computer is actually not slow when you sit down and actually deal with it, but, ooh, that one didn't work. Ah, haha. Okay. I'll be right back. I've returned. Is it installing like a normal person? I don't know. Maybe. Joining now, but what are you doing? Stuff. I don't. I don't know. Stuff. Optimal chat activity. Is it going? It did, in fact, install. Well, would you look at that? Okay. What the fuck? Okay. That's not even the weirdest thing I've seen all day. Unoptimal fonts! No! Please! Stop. Optimal font notification. You make me cry. It's fine, the fonts are kind. What do you need fonts? You don't need fonts. They're dumb. Fonts are for nerds. Like, what the heck in heckers? Wait, I have an idea. I wonder if it'll work. There is actually a setting in here. I remember now. I remember explicitly that there's a setting for this. Oh, come on. Center? No. Tile? No. Fit? Yeah. Fill? Yeah, that works. Maybe? Oh my gosh! You know what? I'll take it. The optimal sync. Yeah. Let's fucking go. I didn't think that would work. Optimal wallpaper. Yes! I'm happy now. I just wanted to be able to look at that. Optimal show notification. I just installed like 8 programs, and it's fine. 0 bugs. Zilch. For now. For now. Woohoo! I fixed it. I fixed it. I can show my face again. We did it! We installed everything I wanted to without crashing. That's pretty good, I guess. Okay. Here we go. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. You know what? I don't know. That is what I thought. Okay. All right. Because I fucking knew it. Okay, so it is true then. The bug is not in the wine import, and it is not the GPU driver. It is the interface between Win32K and DXG still. It is still broken. So, yeah. Now the question is, why? I have rewritten this function like 3 times. Why? DLL main context creation. Oh. I do see why. So, let me... Okay. Actually, let me do something really fast. I think I get it. And to prove my theory, what we're gonna do is watch something bigger. Optimal answers. Okay. I have an answer. Let me install Minecraft really fast. I think I know how this is gonna go. It'll be fun, so let's try it. It doesn't really matter which version. What the fuck? I just turned behind me and I see horizontal the dog. Wow. That was weird. Okay, Minecraft. Let me sign in really quick and then I'll put the camera back on. Okay. Yeah, thankfully we've got that going on for us. Cool. Use my passkey. Okay. All right. We're back to Minecraft. Let me just grab 1.12.2, which is just my favorite to try. Okay. With any luck. This will do exactly what I think it will. Do. Here we go. Yeah, that checks out. Yep. Let me adjust the camera a little bit. Minecraft. Okay. Let me. Yeah. Let's turn off VSync. That's. Ross doesn't know what the fuck to do with that. Frames. I think. Optimal Minecraft resolution notification. But yeah, I think I get it. Interesting. Okay. Now. Bonus points if you can think about why this is happening. Think about it. I think this answers our question. Even if it's a little weird. Okay. So, if you know anything about Minecraft's rendering, what's happening here should be pretty interesting. Why would there only be whatever the heck's happening here? So, I don't know what the fuck this is. I think just messing with it for a while. No, this pretty much confirms it for me. We are losing when the escape functionality happens in GDI. We're losing stuff. We're dropping information from it every time we go into the call. There's two indications that really make me think this is the case. For one thing, we're null dereferencing a bunch of garbage half the time whenever it wants to free something and it turns into trash. For another thing, when the bigger, basically the bigger the packet size, the more crap like this happens. Not to mention that the UI renders a little differently in Minecraft. So, it's... yeah. I think we're losing crap whenever we go through the extended escape. So if we go here... Game comes back. Okay. 43 frames per second! That's like more than 8! Wow! But the bigger we make it, the more stuff we lose. So, I think that's what's happening. So, when the DXG interface is replaced, and you put all of the DirectX files in there by hand, you can still see crap getting lost. AMD's drivers do this recursive garbage thing, and half the games don't work. And if you look at the logs from Lion when it was trying to run BioShock, it kind of shows that, yeah. So, our escape function, our NT-GDI escape, is dropping stuff. Actually, with it like this, it's not too bad. Look at that micro stuttering. Just look when I move. Yeah, so it's dropping stuff. That's kinda what I suspected. So, the patch that I wrote for Escape is still not good. But, now I know that now. Huh. Okay. I will deeply consider this and try to come up with something for it, I guess. I'm probably going to have to sit down and really look at why Jim Tabor wanted to rewrite the thing the way he did, and Yeah. We'll see. That does put me on a better track, I think. I do in this episode. God fucking damn. Damn. That's crazy. Now, the better question is, why isn't this happening in a virtual machine? Unless I'm just truncating something and that's what's getting dropped? The way ext escapes works, there's no guarantee that what you end up with is usable, so I don't know. I guess I just fill a buffer with data and check to see where it truncates on the other side. Which probably means writing a GPU driver that just does this test. Or maybe there's a better way. We know this goes away when we replace the Win32K subsystem. And that's not shocking if the issue is just designated in that print code. Do 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 do. La 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 la. Okay. This is pretty important. I don't doubt that. But I don't think it's delay the PR important. No. No. So what to do? It's not a today thing. I got other stuff I need to do today, but I do have a better idea of where to go from here. So that's what we'll do. do something about this. Okay. We are going to try and reduce the diff quite a bit. That is likely the only way. And then when things are a little calmer, we can look at trying to address this. Okay. The ext escape function's broken, is really what it comes TLDR downing to. So, we gotta fix it. I have to fix it. All right, I'm going to end it here so I can do some other things. Thank you for coming to Answers, the stream, where we actually did get an answer. That's pretty cool. That doesn't happen every single time. I think we got this now. A little better. Yeah. Okay. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you all have a great night.